Welcome to the second lecture of the video lecture series of Engineering Mathematics 3. We have in previous lecture, in lecture number 1, we have already started the first chapter of the syllabus, that is Laplace transform. So in that we have seen some basic standard formulas of the Laplace transform, and also we have seen some rules that are required for the numerical, for solving the numerical. And also we have started type number 1, that is examples based on basic formulas. In that we have solved one numerical in previous lecture, that is this example. Okay, now let us see the second example. Find Laplace transform of t raised to 3 plus sine of 2t plus cos hyperbolic of 3t. Okay, so this is again very simple example which is based on the basic formulas. So how to simplify this? So this is very simple example again. So what we have to do, just we have to write down this example as it is. Okay, so this f of t is given, and by using rules we can separate this particular terms. So Laplace transform of t raised to 3 plus Laplace transform of sine of 2t plus Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic of 3t. Okay, so what is Laplace transform of t raised to 3? So by using eighth formula number 8, that is Laplace transform of t raised to n. Okay, and this 3 is positive integer, so that's why we can directly write this as 3 factorial upon s raised to 3 plus 1. Okay, plus what is its Laplace transform of sine 2t? That is 2 upon s square plus 4 plus Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic 3t is s upon s square plus 3 square, that is 9. And if you further simplify this, what is 3 factorial? That will be 6 upon s raised to 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 upon s square plus 4 plus s upon s square plus 9. Okay, so if you do not understand how this particular Laplace transform is taken, then please go to the first lecture and see that lecture carefully. Then and then only you can understand this particular example. Okay, now let us try to solve the third example. So let us see third example, example number 3. Now this example will depend on the basic formulas. So find Laplace transform of cos square 2t. So this is the example. Now how to simplify this example? Because whatever 8 formulas we have given, in that 8 formulas this particular example is not there. This formula is not there. So how to simplify this? Okay, so for that you should remember one formula, that is cos square theta is equal to 1 minus cos of 2 theta divided by 2. Okay, cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So this formula you have to remember. Unless and until you remember this formula, you cannot solve this particular example. Okay, now how to simplify this then again? So if you observe this formula, what is there in this formula? If the angle of this cos square theta is 1, then here there is double, that is cos 2 theta. Now in our example, what is given? Cos square 2t is given. So how you can write this? So this can be written as 1 plus cos of 4t. Okay, so you should understand this. And now once you clear this, now taking Laplace transform on both sides, taking Laplace transform, okay, on both sides, what do we get? Laplace transform of cos square 2t is equal to Laplace transform of 1 plus cos of 4t divided by 2 bracket close. Okay, so by using rules we can take this 1 by 2 outside because it is constant. So if you take 1 by 2 constant, what we get inside? Laplace transform of 1 plus cos of 4t, and that is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket. Now if you separate this, what we get? Laplace transform of 1 plus Laplace transform of cos 4t, isn't it? This is very simple. Now that is equal to, what is Laplace transform of 1? Already we have seen these formulas. So Laplace transform of 1 is 1 upon s plus Laplace transform of cos 4t. What is that? S upon s square plus 16. Okay. And that is equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket. Now do the cross multiplication. So s square plus 16 plus s into s square upon s in bracket s square plus 16 bracket close. Okay. Now that is equal to again sorry. So 1 by 2 in bracket s square plus s square is 2s square plus 16 divided by s in bracket s square plus 16 bracket close. Now from numerator we can take 2 common, and with this 2 it will be get cancelled, and what we get finally? S square plus 8 divided by s in bracket s square plus 16 bracket close. So this is value of Laplace transform of cos square 2t. Okay. So in this way we can solve some numericals. Now let us consider the next example, that is example number 4. So example number 4, find example number 4, find Laplace transform of sine square 2t. So how to solve this? How to find Laplace transform of sine square 2t? So for that we require sine square theta. Okay, the formula of sine square theta. So what is this formula? So this is, in cos square theta we have seen that in cos square theta there was 1 plus cos 2 theta, but here in sine square theta there is 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Okay, and in this way what is value of sine square 2t? So sine square 2t is equal to 1 minus cos of 4t divided by 2. Okay, so now taking Laplace transform on both sides, what we get here? So Laplace transform of sine square 2t is equal to Laplace transform of 1 minus cos 4t upon 2 bracket close. Okay, and that is equal to, this 1 by 2 can be taken outside. So what do we get? Laplace transform of 1 minus cos 4t, okay, bracket close, and that is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket, separate this. So Laplace transform of 1 minus Laplace transform of cos of 4t bracket close. Okay, so if you further simplify this, what do we get? 1 by 2 in bracket, Laplace transform of 1 is 1 upon s minus Laplace transform of cos 4t, what is that? S upon s square plus 16, okay, square of 4, that is equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket, cross multiplication, s square plus 16 minus s into s square upon s divided by s square plus 16 bracket close, and that is equal to, this s square and this s square get cancelled, 16 divided by 2, that will be 8. So 8 upon s in bracket s square plus 16. This is the final answer. This is Laplace transform of sine square 2t. Now here there is one homework for you students. Okay, what is that homework? We have to solve Laplace transform of example number 5. Find Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic square 2t. Okay, and example number 6 is also for homework. Find Laplace transform of sine hyperbolic square 2t. Now hint I will give you for both. So first hint for the first, okay, that is for cos hyperbolic square 2t. So we know that cos square theta is equal to what is that formula? Cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos of 2 theta divided by 2, isn't it? So therefore cos hyperbolic square theta is equal to, remember this formula, this is as it is, 1 plus cos hyperbolic 2 theta divided by 2. So there is no change at all. There is no change at all. Just we have to put the hyperbolic sign. Okay. So this is the formula for this particular example. And second hint, we know that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos of 2 theta divided by 2. But here there is a change. So what is that change? Sin hyperbolic square theta is equal to, this will be reverse, so that is cos hyperbolic 2 theta minus 1 upon 2. This is the change. Okay, and by using these formulas you can definitely solve these particular examples, example number 5 and example number 6. So I hope you understand this. Thank you very much.